Part of our strategic basics sa Navy is to develop area dito sa east side of Philippines, and we identified Catanduanes, especially in the part of Panay Island, as one of our forward operating base. Currently, we are trying to coordinate with local government to help us procure the facility, the area, the real estate. And this is very strategic for the Navy and for the country para ma-check yung east coast natin. We need to forward our operating forces, our assets in that area. Napakahalaga po yung babantayan natin, no? Yung Benham Rise. And of course, yung area, kasi mahirap puntahan yung area na, na east coast. Doon nandito si Naval Forces Southern Luzon, but we need to project him sa east side pa para malaki yung coverage niya.
Sir, what is the advantage of putting a naval headquarters in Catanduanes?
For easily reaction, of course, and all the time check natin yung area kasi we will be putting up our naval monitoring systems. No? Sabihin, maglalagay tayo ng mga radars, mga surveillance system. Even kahit na wala tayong mga floating assets, makover natin yung area. Former U.S. Lawrence Station, but it's owned by the Coast Guard, by the Philippine Coast Guard. So we will try to get a portion of that facility, yung sa Catanduanes, yung Panay Island, probably next to Loran, so we can have our naval monitoring stations there. It's really hard to cover all our territory. That's why we need to put something there, malapit-lapit, so we can react in that area. As long as the foreign vessels will, kung magta-traverse man sila sa area natin, hindi lang natin sila papayagan pumasok sa territorial areas natin. They are authorized by international rules to be outside of our territory. That means the high seas from 12 nautical miles palabas. But they are not allowed to do surveillance or research hanggat wala silang paalam sa atin. So we have to check. We have to monitor them and we have to react. No? That's why we need to put forces there para makareact tayo kaagad.